नमस्कार एंड यू वाचिंग क्लैपटॉप, वी आर बैक अगेन। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे सोल्यूशन की जो स्टोन का ऑल्टरनेटिव है। इस प्रोडक्ट को दिखाने से पहले आपको बता दें कि आप अपने स्पेस में आप जब भी कुछ एस्थेटिकली करेक्ट करना चाहते हैं या आप इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन में इंटरेस्टेड हैं या फिर आप इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर हैं, तो आपको आसपास के एरियाज़ में या फिर अपने नियर बाय सिटीज़ में जाके एग्जीबिशंस को अटेंड करना चाहिए। इनफैक्ट इट टर्न आउट टू बी एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस, एटलीस्ट फॉर मी, बिकॉज आई गॉट टू लर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। As a curious kid, I walked in. I request you to please go there, but make sure you do not go like Indian tourists visiting mountains or maybe monuments, because most of the Indian tourists, they just go to monuments, check out, click pictures and come back home. That's not the way it is supposed to be. You're supposed to get into detail of it. You have to seep in all the knowledge and information in your mind.
Hello,
it will remain with you.
Hello.
Let's begin.
Welcome to Cladding. Welcome to Zenstone.
Thank you very much. Zen sounds very positive.
Oh, it's Zen. It's a place of Zen.
Okay.
Zen in peace, calm, and being with nature.
Right. All right. So this is our first interaction, and would like to talk about the company, how we started, and what all we deal into.
We basically started with natural stone. The company has been established since 30 years.
Okay.
And we've been into natural stone from about 30 years to export it. And now it's been more than 7 to 8 years that we've also got into engineered stone.
All right.
What we are doing here is we are taking the surface of the stone and trying to make it in concrete and to give it different shades and different colors to the product.
All right. So most of the products, as you said, they are engineered.
Engineered, yes.
There's no natural substances used.
The surface and the color is of natural stone.
All right.
Done on high performance concrete.
Okay. Now, if we talk about the application part of it, most of the products, they are for the vertical areas.
Yeah.
Nothing for the horizontal areas.
Floors, we have got 2 to 3 options if you see this. So now
flooring,
again,
we have these.
Yes. Now again, the flooring is not simple. It's a European pattern. The small pieces making a pattern of 2 feet by 2 feet. So once it's been placed on the floor, on pathways or a driveway, we give a gap and it looks very beautiful.
All right.
Different from what people are putting.
Okay.
Regarding the driveways or the pathways. If you see the design, it's in different small pieces making a pattern.
All right. What is the thickness of this material?
It's about 25 mm.
Okay. And what is this material?
It's again engineered stone.
Engineered wood.
Yeah.
Generally, for heavy traffic areas, people expect something that comes in the 50 mm or thicker than that. Right? Do we have those slabs as well?
We don't need that.
Okay.
Because if you want to go 50 mm, you need a small blocks.
All right.
You cannot go for a bigger piece.
Okay.
This has perfect strength for a truck or any 25 ton or 30 ton to come on it.
And they're available in different colors.
Yes. It's available in 3 colors, and we're also making some different colors as well.
Like right now, we have got beige, we have got grey, and also we have got brown. If somebody wants to think out of the box, probably they can use them on vertical areas as well.
Yes,
on
it
walls
can
as
also
well.
be used on the vertical area.
Right, because this will create a beautiful pattern.
Yes.
Okay, you can make large size slabs as well.
No, this is set patterns.
All right. Okay, we cannot make any kind of
because
modification.
we have a mold and it's on in an exact size, set size. So we cannot change the sizes. So the sizes are set.
Okay, now we'll talk about the vertical part. We'll talk about different feature walls generally people make. And feature wall we have been defining in our previous videos as well.
Yeah.
Feature walls are basically for the focal point that people try to create their homes. Be it bathroom, living room, cafes, balconies, outdoor, indoor. Right. We'll go with you. We'll check out what are the materials available, what are the items or things are available for vertical areas. Let's start from here.
Yes, come to Zenst. And now if you see this particular design, it's a very beautiful design, and if you see this particular design, you don't see a lot of color or a lot of cordedness or heaviness into it. The best part about this is the textured finish on it.
Right.
Once you shine a light on it, it just comes out in a very different way.
All right, and they're very unevenly placed deliberately.
Yes, yeah, it's been done deliberately to give more of a 3D effect to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the material?
It's again engineered stone. High performance concrete.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. For exterior?
For exterior, interiors both.
All right.
It can be put in the short wall. It can be put in the exterior wall.
And this?
This is a CNC design. It's a very beautiful design. and we have made it in black. We can also do it in brown and different colors. Again, it's for feature walls. Not for a bigger area, but for example, if you want to highlight a drawing room or a bedroom, you can, if you want to just highlight one wall, you can do with this particular design.
All right. My concern is now about the seamless joints.
Yeah.
There are no seamless joints in this.
Yeah.
Is this is how it is supposed to be, or this is because we are in the exhibition?
It's because of the exhibition, and it's been placed on something which was uneven.
All right.
So once it's been placed on a plaster wall or a simple wall, you will not see this particular thing.
All right. It's very important to have this unless somebody wants to play with these kind of joints.
Yeah.
Right. Moving on to the next one now. This is my favorite. In fact, this is the one that attracted me.
Okay.
And there are a couple of more.
Yeah.
And generally, you get this in natural stone form.
Yes. So what we have done is, again, we have taken the surface finish of the stone,
Okay.
and we have made it into an engineered stone.
All right.
So if you see this particular design, one has been placed horizontally and one has been placed vertically, and you can see the difference. The both designs are same, but once you change the angle, it just comes out differently.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So preferred area application, recommended application
It
by
can
you.
be put on the elevation on the exterior. It can be put again for the feature wall.
All right.
It can be put inside the bedroom.
Bedroom.
Yeah, bedroom also.
Okay.
A certain amount of wall, which
Okay.
I just want to highlight, and you put a light on it, it would just come out very nice.
Oh, that will totally depend on the kind of
on the client,
your theme, basically what kind of theme you want to follow.
Yeah.
But these are not very skin friendly and safe in case you want to put it in a small room. You
Yes.
need to have a lot of space to
Lot
move
of
around,
space, yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, it's not very close to a
It
movement.
would be in an area where the people they are making villas or a big bedrooms.
Okay.
Where people don't walk or come to that area.
Yeah.
There, if you want to just give a feature, you can give it a feature with this
Right, not in the
particular
passage where the movement
Yes,
is heavy.
yes.
Okay. Moving on to the next one, I liked it. I think they're very beautiful, easy to maintain.
Easy to
A lot of
maintain.
people must be raising brows and must be thinking, how do you clean them? You just dust it.
one.
with the
Just a normal dusting.
normal dusting.
It's perfect.
Okay. All right. Are they available in different colors? or-
Yes.
Okay.
One is this color we have got in white. If you see that,
We'll go that side.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Moving on to the next one now. This again is a very natural form of stone,
okay.
but
Yeah,
is engineered.
This is again engineered.
Okay.
And this is a rubble stone. This is a pattern.
Okay.
For example, this is a pattern. The best part about this is that you can flexibly change the pattern and change the thickness of the gaps coming in between. For example, this is a groove. So here you see the groove is a little wider, and here you see it's very, very thin. So give it a more natural look to it.
Right. That unevenness. basically.
Unevenness, yeah.
Right. Okay. This, where do you prefer? Exterior?
Exterior again.
All right.
Exterior boundary walls, garden areas, landscape. You can use this particular design. It would look wonderful.
All right. And this one, this again is an engineered
This
product.
is again engineered stone, but the finish have been taken from a natural stone.
All right.
This is mostly what I have in mind about this is particularly for fountain stone.
All right.
Fountain
because-
areas. Put
you get water ripples
Yes,
there.
yes.
Okay.
It looks beautiful there.
All right. Okay. This one in the grey, I think it's for exterior and interior both.
Yes, both.
Okay. All right. So we have got a lot of options available today. And are these terracotta tiles?
Yes.
Okay.
This is actually again a concrete tile, and we have done staining on it.
Okay. Perfectly suitable. I mean,
Yes.
people know how to use them.
Exterior,
We'll talk-
interiors, yes.
Right. And these are also engineered products?
Yes, this is also engineered product. This is our latest design. You can see the unevenness. A lot of people want to go with rubble and give it a more a very natural look to it. Rubble design to it. So this design is specially for that. Now
Okay.
again, this design is in one color, which is beige. It can be in black. It can be whatever color the client wants.
All right,
Yeah.
done. Moving on to the next one now, and lot of people, they like it, but they don't know how to use it, and they're totally solely dependent on interior designers.
Yeah.
So you have an interior designer in place, that's fine.
Yeah.
But in case if somebody is looking for a consultancy,
Yeah.
and I'm a naive interior designer hypothetically, and I know nothing about
Yeah.
how to use it,
Yeah.
and I'm in love with this stone. So
Yeah.
do you provide
Yes,
consultancy as well?
yes, sir, we do that.
All right.
What we do is we try to help out the clients and the architects. For example, they would send us a 3D design or maybe a model, showing that we want this particular die in this particular color.
Okay.
So we try to send them the pictures according to the design. So which makes them easy for them to to go for. For example, let's say architect wants a beige and a very rough stone and a brick, like a bigger piece in bricks. So I would suggest this particular design.
All right.
Yeah, if they want, if architect want, for example, I don't want to go with this particular brick. I don't want a simple brick. I want to give it a little texture to it.
Okay.
So what we have done is that we have given a combination of a rough and a plain texture.
All right. So it's a combination.
It's
of
a combination, giving a more contemporary look to the wall.
All right. Moving on to the next one. Now this we have already seen, and these are very popular designs. In fact, these are available dime for dozens in natural stone.
Yes, I would say the design is common, but the color of the stone is pretty unique. You will not find this anywhere.
Okay.
This
what makes them unique?
Yeah.
What makes them unique? Because they are engineered
the colors.
products?
No,
these are real, right?
This is a natural stone.
Oh, okay.
This is a natural stone.
Okay.
This whole section is natural.
All right.
Yeah. So this particular stone you will not find it because these are the mines where people generally don't want to go and see the stone.
Okay.
Mostly there are 5 to 6 or 7 designs that people want to go with. So what we have done is we've got this from different mines, and if you see this in this particular design, you see a combination of brown and a dull brown. And to give it a punch, we have given a more yellow to just break the monotony of the particular section.
Okay. Akash, now the technical part of it. What is the size of a slab?
This is a panel size of 6 inch by 24 inches.
One panel.
Yes.
All right. And they will never be identical because the source is nature.
Yes.
Right? They can never be the same.
Yeah.
And are they into the same category in terms of pricing? Kind of.
Little difference. Like for example, this would be about 150 rupees
per square feet?
Per square feet, yeah.
Okay.
And this would be about 190 and 200 rupees per square feet. Now the range is from 150 to 200 rupees per square feet.
All right.
So you will get this in this particular.
Okay. We have checked out a couple of material before, and we did not mention the price part of it.
Yeah.
In case somebody wants to buy it, they can always get in touch with you.
Yeah.
And delivery of penny day is available from us, depending on the kind of volume you're looking at, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And going to the next section now.
Yeah.
In this section, what we have?
We have again a combination of natural stone, engineered stone.
All right.
Again, this is engineered. This is also brick engineered.
Okay.
This is stone. Again, this is CNC engineered.
CNC engineered.
Yes, CNC.
Okay.
A lot of people want CNC on stone, which becomes very priced. The costing is about 800,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees a square feet. You get the same thing in 500 rupees a square feet.
All right. Now, one technical aspect to it. Whenever we use any substance for exterior, there's a strong exposure to weather.
Yeah.
Extreme hot, extreme cold, rain and dust, especially North India.
Yeah.
So, what about the life of these products?
These are permanent because these been treated with all the taking care of all the aspects that's going to happen on the exterior wall.
Okay.
There's going to be rain, there's going to be sun, there's going to be a lot of dust. So this has been made keeping that in mind.
Okay.
And this can be placed anywhere you want.
All right.
Without any damage.
Okay. Now this is my favorite. I liked it. The powder room.
Great.
Okay, powder room is, as you know, it's a very, very dry area. You don't have too much of water splitting, and the moment is also very less. You don't use powder room every now and then. So you can make a beautiful feature wall with this.
Yes.
Right.
You can put this particular stone on a particular wall and give a light on it.
Right.
And it's just not here because if you see a lot of people, people have started coming up with this particular design in powder rooms. But once you see houses in America, in Los Angeles, in Vegas, you see that they've designed this particular to give a more rustic and a natural look to it.
Okay.
So now this particular design can be put in the bathroom without any problem, without any water absorption or any dust.
All right. So these are the two shades we have seen. One of them is beige, other one was little grayish.
Grayish, yeah.
Are they repaintable?
You want to?
Huh?
You want to?
No. I'm cool with it. I like it the way they are.
You can,
but some people want to, in case they want to.
In case they want to.
They
can
be repaintable.
After 5-10 years, they get bored. So they want to. They can
No, I can totally understand your feeling, and in fact, exactly I think the way you are thinking.
Yeah.
These are the beautiful colors. Never try to spoil them.
Yeah,
that's what you're feeling, right? All about. I know you very slyly you avoid it.
But if they want to, but don't do it. like
Just for the heck of
give
it,
some
yeah.
20, 25 years or 30
I know.
years.
I seriously love that attitude of yours. You should be confident about the colors and patterns you have created. Trust me, you should not paint them. I asked them because a lot of people ask these questions. Okay, moving on to the next one. What is? Let's turn it around. What do we have?
Again, is the stone mosaic.
Okay.
In a different
again
pattern.
CNC.
No, it's been
different
done
colors
with
can be CNC.
Yeah.
Okay. And
This is
one?
again CNC with different color. That was beige. This is brown.
But this has got a little sheen in it.
Yeah, we will just put it a spark on it.
Okay.
A lot of people like it, so we want to give that.
All right, done. These can be used in for interior feature walls.
Yes,
as well,
again feature wall exterior also. A lot of people have come up now. A lot of elevation that is coming up with these particular designs.
All right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
now this is glass mosaic.
Oh, moving on to the next section. These are the small,
mosaic.
tiny pieces of glass.
Yes.
And mosaic is the form of the creation. What is the panel size of this?
The panel size is 12 inch by 12 inches.
All right, but very seamlessly placed here.
Yes. Yeah.
Not everybody gets this kind of applicator.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
I was there.
Okay. All right.
no, all the
For the quality control monitoring.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Moving on to the next one. Are they available in different colors besides this?
Yeah. One is this color, which is brown. One is in grey.
They are a little bigger or of the same size?
This is about 25 inches. That is 20 mm.
Okay. Done. Oh. This is very nice.
Yeah. Again, texture has been taken from stone. There are about five different finishes on it.
All right.
You get a finish of a short blast, a natural cleft, a slit, a plane. So everything is there in one particular design.
All right. And what is the panel size of this?
4 inches by 24 inches.
All right. Okay, done. And this one is engineered again?
This is engineered, but this is we have taken the surface finish of an actual bark.
Actual?
Bark, tree bark.
Okay, T-bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have cut it and we have made this particular texture.
Oh, this is inspired. This design is inspired by tree skin.
Yeah.
The skin of the hide of the tree.
Of the tree.
Yeah, the bark we call it.
Yeah.
Bark or hide or skin or whatever we call it. The external layer of a tree. Oh, okay. Where do you prefer this?
This I would prefer on particular, villas, maybe exterior also. Where people want to give more natural look to it, with grass, landscape areas. Because you cannot put bark, right? You cannot put a natural bark or a tree or a skin on it.
It has a life of its own.
So this particular design would do wonders.
Okay. Yeah. And turn around. What is there in the backside?
Is again different color glass mosaic.
All right. Okay. These are the most preferred mosaic collage.
Yes.
Or most preferred in bathrooms?
Bathrooms, kitchens.
Okay.
Even on the floors, you can put this particular design. Bathroom floors, you can put this.
Okay.
Yeah.
But in limited space?
No, all over the place.
All over. Yeah. Okay, all over. Dado, you can use them on your kitchen dados on the front area, splash area?
Right.
All right. Okay, this again is my favorite for the color.
Yeah.
This has got color variation. There's a transformation of beige and grey.
Yeah. So what we have done is that, इसी में जो है in molds we have done this put up different color and give it a more natural look to it, and it's more what I call as cloudy gray. It's more of whitish grayish blackish touch to it.
Okay, done. How much is this for?
This is again 300 rupees per square
300 rupees per square feet. And this one is again natural?
Yeah, this is engineer stone.
Okay. And this one? This is glass?
This is again a glass mosaic. Now this is a pebble. So what you see is that defined squares. In this you will see triangles. So it's a pretty different and a very unique design.
Oh, that's nice. What is the size of this panel?
This is again 12 inches by 12 inches.
All right, done. So Akash, we're kind of done. There are some of the designs we could see here, right? And 4 more designs.
Can be seen in our showroom, which is in Greater Noida.
All right.
You'll see all the design and all the colors there.
Okay.
We've got a beautiful showroom, and I invite all of you to come and see it.
Sure.
That would be great. Come to Zenstone and feel the calmness and peace.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure meeting you. Some amazing products.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for letting us know all about this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.